Hey, what's up? Mantas here, and today I have reached a small milestone. I have answered 1000 questions on Quora. So this is it, 1002 questions answered, and I think it's worth mentioning. So I've had a case study which I've started in 2019, and I said maybe I will continue, that case study. So in a while I was answering these questions and it came up to 1000. So what are the results? You're probably wondering. So here's my stats. I'm gonna do it on all time. And my answers got like 111,000 views, 811 upvotes, and 11 shares. And as you can see, a graph was answering get more views, less views, and this is a huge spike. So I guess I was included in Quora digest or something like that. So I have diversified my all links actually, so I can't really show you the real results of, if that would be pointing to one link, so it would be easy to generate that data. But now I have diversified all that links, which I included in my answers as a source, so it's really not so easy to do that. And some of the links was leading to my blog. Some of the links was leading to my YouTube channel. Some of the links was leading even to affiliate offers. So I just quickly open my Google Analytics of my blog and will make a date range of early dates from 2019. I think it was I've started on March. Okay, let's say from June. From June, and it's gonna be like 1 year period. And I got clicks from Quora. It's 432 clicks directly to my blog. And as you know, there is a opt-in forms on my blog. There is affiliate links on my blog. So comparing that and converting actually that to monetary value, I would consider this like, I don't know, maybe 50 cents a click. So it would be $200 in advertisement. Like if I would pay $200, I could get like 400 clicks, let's say. But this is not top tier only countries. This is from India, Nigeria, Indonesia, and all over the world traffic. So these people not really converting so well. You write these answers on Quora and looking at the long-term results, because these questions and answers rank in search engines in a while. It takes at least 3 months to rank some content on Google. So basically these answers must stay in a while in a place while it takes some sort of, place in search results. Now I wonder, what are your results? Are you answering some questions? And where are you driving traffic? Are you getting loads of clicks from Quora to your website or affiliate links? So comment down below and I will talk to you soon.